guys, how you doing? Just making a quick video. If you've seen my last video, you'd have seen I made this a little while ago, and I told you that I was going to make the pads with some seed and grassole, and I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do with it. Just basically going to get some ericaceous soil and put it on the top here like so. As you can see, and I'm going to do that with all of these, and then we'll put the plant on. Well, not plant, it's actually a succulent. This is it, seed and grassole. Just going to stick that on top like so. So there we go guys, there's my living wall bonsai completed. This is meant as a backdrop for my videos, but this can go anywhere really. This can go inside someone's house or out in the garden, as long as it's a bit sheltered from the rain. Obviously it is wood, but this within no time at all, this is all going to fill out, and we'll have good pads here, and it'll look really, really nice. And then I'll show you how we trim it later on in the summer next year. Once it's all filled out, we'll give it a little snip, and all these little bits you snip off, they'll all make new plants. It's so easy to to propagate, it's unreal. You can literally just snip the top off, leave it on the ground, and it will start sprouting new seed and grass. So it's great stuff, this is. So I might even make another one of these, but a bit bigger and a bit wider. Might make one that's coming down the side. I really like that. I hope you do too. Yeah, look out for the next video. This next video is on my little olive tree. I think I might cut it down a little bit more. I have thrown the question out there on YouTube, but yeah, I think I might chop it down just a tiny bit more and let it grow up again next year. But like I say, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.